welcome to Kids Are Chefs, where we prepare a great meal and a great topic. I'm Chef Gabby.
And I'm Chef Christian.
Today we're preparing a breakfast pizza.
And we have a very special guest in our show today. Today we have Dr. Monica Rickley from the Flat Rock Middle School STEM program.
So I teach at Flat Rock Middle School, and I teach in the STEM program. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Math. And my students will be joining us today. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
Come on in, students. All right, I'll start from this end. This is Jana, Sydney J, Courtney, Julian, Isom, Joelle, Sydney, Kaylin, Daniela, and Ariana.
Welcome back everyone, and now we get to make these delicious pizzas. So on this side we have the caprese pizza. On this side we have the prosciutto al grill pizza. And on this side we have the mixed berry pizza. Now we will have Chef Steve talk us through it, teach us how to make it, and Chef Gabby and myself will, help everybody out, and just in case they have any questions.
Oh, that's great. Let's get a few of these passed out. Everybody want to grab one. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now we're using the whole wheat pancakes. Very good. All right. Now we got our spread on this prosciutto arugula pizza. We start with ricotta cheese. Thank you. I appreciate that. Here we start with our very whipped cream cheese. So it's whipped, so it should be quite airy and easy to spread on. And just pass it down. It doesn't have to be super thick. I'll take a look at this one to give you an example.
For these two pieces right here, you want to put this on top.
After it comes out the oven.
Yeah, right after it comes out the oven.
These look perfect. Y'all doing great. A little bit more. Hit your corners.
Y'all been stingy with the cheese. Y'all don't like cheese, huh? She doesn't have cheese.
There you go.
So what kind of pancakes are those again? She's like, what are you talking about?
Next up is arugula.
Okay, very good.
Just dig in there, give yourself a good helping.
Is there some sort of glaze or sauce that's on the arugula?
Yes, there is. Thank you for asking. There's actually olive oil and salt. That'll help bring out that peppery flavor of the arugula and natural pepper flavor. Next here is tomatoes. Next here, you all can start adding your berries if you wish. Whatever you like the most. Thank you, sir. That looks like Thomas, doesn't it? So after we're using naan bread today for our pizza dough. So pretty much for these, we're gonna pop them in long enough for that cheese to melt.
So, how long have you guys been in the STEM program?
2 years. Tell them a little bit about your inventions. Anybody want to go first? Jana, go ahead. Tell us about the vest.
Well, me and Courtney, we made something called the Viv, the NIV. It's a bulletproof vest for women officers because the vests are like uncomfortable for them. So we made a slip that goes under it, and it's built into the vest to relieve that stress and tension between the vest and the skin.
So women officers are comfortable and safe. Isom, tell us about the floss guard.
Well, my group made a floss guard which improves flossing. It's a mouthpiece that's laced with floss that has a handle which you can put in your mouth, move it around and floss, and the mouthpiece is supposed to catch all the germs and stuff.
Tell us, Katie.
My partner and I made a device called the EPCD, which would help elderly people with monitoring their nurses and their vitals if anything abnormal.
So if I took my granny to a nursing home, she'll be safer because of your invention? Okay.
What grade are you guys in?
And they're all scholars. They plan to be either doctors, engineers, technologists. They have big dreams.
Nice.
I don't know, now you guys may have converted them to being chefs now that we've been in the kitchen.
Now, if you guys weren't in the STEM program, would you guys want to become chefs?
Yeah, I like cooking. I like food, so I like cooking.
Okay. What's your favorite dish, Courtney?
I don't know. I like to make this thing that my family calls drunk Carla chicken. And it's really good. It has like sauteed onions and chicken, and it's just really good.
Sounds good.
Really good.
Well, now that our pizza is cooked, go ahead and dig in here, everybody. Wait, first question. Who thinks they made the best pizza up in here?
Me. It was me.
You guys see all of these toppings?
How do you sign up?
Well, there's an application process. So if you're interested in being in STEM, well, the application actually dropped last week and it's on our Flat Rock Middle School website. And students can go through. Of course, you have to be a student in our building. And we take 50, well, there'll be 50 in each grade level now. So 50 sixth graders, 7th graders, and 8th graders. In 6th grade, we really don't call it STEM, we call it our innovative program. They're going through and they're kind of getting their feet wet and getting exposed. And then in 7th and 8th grade, they're actually in the program. We go on field trip, we have speakers, we do really cool things like we're doing this morning. They have a lot of opportunities to exposure.
So, how did the STEM program start?
You want to wait to have took that big old One second. So, about 4 years ago, I felt like my students were getting bored. That they needed something more than just traditional classroom education. And that they needed to see why they were doing the math, the science, the technology. We weren't having students going into those fields because they didn't understand it, Chef Christian. And so we figured if we had speakers come in to talk about their fields, to talk about their paths and what they were doing, then our students would see more of they would have more of a purpose in education. And so that's what STEM does for them.
Cool. No, your name is Isaiah, right? Ice.
You were close, Chef Christian, you were close.
What's your favorite subject in school?
Math.
He's not just saying that because I teach him math.
Are you enjoying being in the STEM program? I really need to wait until it's the end of the day. Really.
But we need to take those cute bites and pretend.
Just a hit out of you.
Yeah, I really am enjoying this STEM program.
That's good. That's good.
What are your guys' favorite things doing? Like projects, field trips?
Oh, I know what you're doing.
A lot of food.
Yeah, school is actually pretty fun. Yeah, students kind of makes it more exciting. So it's not just very
And more interesting to learn.
And then you feel like you're different from the other group of kids. Like you could never like think of how it's gonna be like if you were out.
No, you go, Chef Jackie.
What was your favorite thing to invent?
Or wait, our favorite thing to do when we were inventing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I liked
I like just having something to do and just think about you can change somebody's life with your invention and you can make anything you want to like, you just think of something and you can make it.
Kaylin and her partner were really passionate about what they were doing because, and the way they pitched the program, everybody has a granny or an old person that they know and love. And so their invention was actually saving and prolonging their lives. So your granny that gives you all that good candy at Christmas is now going to live to another Christmas because of their project.
Yeah, and it was cool to go to the inventor, like place where we saw all the other people and see what they came up with and how they did the design process, like versus ours and all that stuff.
So we competed against every kid in the state of Georgia. So.
Well, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the program. Yeah. Thank you all for coming by.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks. No problem, no problem.
What are you cooking next week? Something good.
The world may never know. So stay tuned for that. Peace.
Sydney, yours looks delicious. I'm serious. Thanks for all this candy. You're going to eat it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We want to thank our sponsors, Fresh Market, which these bags came from there, and Viking Shepherd. So thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Fresh Market. Thank you, Fresh Market.